Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm going to do another tutorial here on the multi-text. I just done one. That one had like 5 animations in it. It was a little too much to do on an edit page with that much keyframing. So I did most of that one in Fusion. I'm going to do a lot easier one here, only 2 lines today. And most of it will be done on the edit page. We will be going to Fusion for a moment. Multi-text is in titles. Now you can animate this in a transform. That way you can use the new keyframe editor. The only problem is, with the multi-text, all the text lines will move simultaneously as one. So you really can't do it with the multi-text. You might as well use a regular one because you'd have to have only one line. And when you keyframe the text using the center X and Y, you can't see the keyframes. But we can go to Fusion and smooth out the animation. It's very simple. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. Put your first text in, set your font and all that now. And if you go to shading, on the outline, we can put an outline around it. The thickness down here. And if you go to page, it has its own background built right in. Okay, back to the text. Add another text. And put the text you're liking in. And if you go to layout, you'll see the second text by default is much lower. And it doesn't matter if you switch them, it'll still be the same. It just changes the overlap. So we're going to raise the first one. Okay, we'll go ahead and animate these. Put your playhead on frame 0. Go to minus 0.5. We want to make both these off the same distance on each side. It goes by the center anchor. That way when they're animate in, they'll come at the same time. Let's go to Fusion. If you zoom out, you'll see it down here. Set a keyframe. Advance 1 second. And set the center X back to 0.5. Just take the minus out. Put your playhead back on frame 0. Select your text 2. Center X to the right to 1.5. And set a keyframe. Advance 1 second. And set the center X back to 0.5. Now we'll go to Fusion for a minute. If you click on your text template, you can see the keyframes. And you can see where the points are. Open your spline. Select them. Zoom to fit. Select all. And F on the keyboard. Change the ease in. If you hit T, a little ease in, ease out window pop up. If we were going to adjust the ease in and ease out, if you lock that and you adjust the ease in, it'll do both. I'm going to just adjust the ease in up to right around 50. It don't have to be right on. Now it kind of swooshes in. I'm going to make a copy of the picture on track 1, drag it up, and we'll put the text behind them. The new magic mask Version 2 is now in Fusion as well. I'm not going to go over this. There's plenty of tutorials out there. Now we'll make the text larger. Select it. We'll do the first one. Go to Layout. Use the Center Z. Then go to the second one. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.